Today's recipe is zesty, delicious, and packed with a variety of nutrients to support your hair growth goals. So to learn how you can make it, just keep on watching.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Welcome to the channel's playlist, Recipes for Massive Hair Growth, and I'm so glad you're here. We are on episode number 10, where we are making a zesty chickpea medley. Now, the beautiful part about this recipe, you can make a batch and freeze a portion for later use. Secondly, it is easy for food prep by dividing it into your portion size for the week. And thirdly, you can change out the ingredients so that the next time you make this recipe, you'll add more diverse mix of microbes to support your microbiome for better health and to maximize your hair growth. For example, you can use different beans instead of chickpeas, add mushrooms, use white onions instead of red onions, or quinoa instead of the wild rice blend, or kale instead of spinach. Just be creative. So let's get into the recipe. Hi ladies, I think one of the most important things that you can do for your hair growth journey is to learn how to transform your diet, not just for massive hair growth, but for better overall health. By grabbing your copy of the Diet Transformation for Massive Hair Growth ebook, where you can choose the ebook or the MP3 download that comes with an exclusive resource page. You know, as we grow older, especially during the menopause phase, our bodily functions decline at a faster rate, like hormone production, bone density, muscle mass, and stomach acid level declines, which impact your ability to absorb vital nutrients like protein, iron, zinc, and a variety of other nutrients required to meet your hair goals and improve your overall health. This book is filled with simple solutions, and inside you'll learn the basics of how the human body works and how your food choices impact your body's ability to do its job, which is to keep you functioning properly, including growing your hair. You'll learn how to become the captain of your health by learning how to read food labels to avoid toxic ingredients that have the power to destroy your health one bite at a time. You'll learn how to assess supplements and vitamins on the market to avoid wasting your dollars on supplements that can't live up to the marketing claims due to how the supplements are made and the ingredients included. You'll learn about simple lifestyle changes to improve the quality of your life and will also support your hair growth goals. You'll be able to connect with professionals that has taken the risk to move away from profit-focused industries and are now teaching and mandating change by educating you on the truth and showing you what you can do naturally to allow your body to heal itself and function the way God intended. So you can scan the QR code or click the link in the description box and grab your copy, and you get a bonus gift as a thank you. And if you're not a subscriber to the channel, please subscribe and check out the playlist entitled Recipes for Massive Hair Growth. On that channel, that is where we are growing hair naturally, one recipe at a time and one bite at a time. Thank you, and back to the video. I started by chopping 2 fistfuls of fresh organic spinach, which is packed with a good source of iron to carry oxygen to your hair follicles, vitamins A and C to maintain a healthy scalp, preventing dryness and supporting collagen production, which strengthens your hair, and folate, which helps promote blood circulation to your scalp. Next, I added 1 can of organic crushed fire roasted tomatoes, or you can use the diced tomatoes, and of which I normally use, but I picked up the wrong one, but they bring the same flavor to the recipe. Then I added a half cup of Bragg's liquid aminos and blended them together, and then I set this aside. These ingredients will be added to the recipe last to preserve all their nutrients, and that is extremely important to remember. Next, I started with too small of a pot, so I switched to a larger pot to prepare 16 ounces of brown and wild rice medley. I just followed the directions on the package, but I use organic vegetable broth instead of water. Did you know brown rice is rich in biotin? That's a B vitamin that helps improve the elasticity of hair and reduce brittleness. It also provides a good source of protein, which is crucial for building and repair hair tissues. Next, in another small pot, I added 1 can of organic chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, and 1.5 cup of organic vegetable broth to boil. Then I lowered the heat to simmer for about 15 minutes until the chickpeas got a little more soft. Now, did you know chickpeas are also beneficial for hair growth because they are packed with protein, iron, and zinc, and these nutrients contribute a stronger hair follicles, improve blood circulation to your scalp, and can help reduce hair loss. And you know what? The versatility of chickpeas is absolutely amazing. Now back to the large pot of the rice medley. This is where you want to add the chickpeas, the spinach and tomato mixture with 1 cup of chopped red onions, 1 cup of chopped bell peppers. Now I'm using the yellow peppers, but you can use the red or the green peppers. It's simply your choice, and then just simply mix them all together. Then you want to simmer them on a low heat for about 10 minutes just to release the nutrients in the spinach, onion, and the bell peppers. And voila, bon appetit. Now I am preparing this with a 7 ounce of grilled chicken breast, but of course you can pair it with beef, salmon, or whatever you like for more protein. And then I garnished it with about a teaspoon of my spicy guacamole, and that video link is in the description box below. So now let me know what you think about this recipe, if you would try it. The ingredients are very simple and you probably have them in your cabinet. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, leave a comment, give the video a like, share it with a friend, and ring that bell so that you will never miss another video. Because honey, on this channel we are growing our hair naturally, one recipe at a time, and what? One bite at a time. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.